Hey my nail babes, this is Deja Terrell and I am back with another video. I have made some acrylic colors, so I decided to practice on my girl Keisha today. Right here I'm just filing the top of that nail plate off just so that the glue can stick just a little bit better to these fingernails. The nail tips I'm using are my C-curve nail tips. You can find them on my website at nailsbydejaterrell.com. I really love these tips. I feel like the shape and the structure of these nails are just very, very good quality. I always have to hold the nail tip down just a little bit long because the glue really it takes forever for the glue to stick on these nails. I'm using some scissors just so I can make the coffin shape. Some of the nail tips lifted when I was cutting it, so I had to go back in and add some glue. Using the 80 grit file, I just go in and file the side walls and file the tip of the nail. Then I'm just going to file with my medium grit sanding bit, and I just file the nail plate and blend the tip to the nail plate. I use a size 14 brush, and this acrylic is Angel Dust. This is the acrylic I made, and I also use white and the gold foil. I got the gold foil from Michaels. At this point, I'm going to just put some acrylic on the nail, and I like to put it really liquidy for this design just so I can maneuver it just a little bit better. And I just add some acrylic on top of each other and make sure it's all wet and liquefied so that way it'll blend better. When adding the gold foil, I always just like to do big clumps. I don't really like when the gold foil is separated like little bits and pieces. I feel like it kind of throws off the design and throws off my eye. So when I use gold foil, I always like to use bigger clumps or like create some just different designs with gold foil. I then use CHISEL, the clear powder, to encapsulate my entire design. then use my fine carbide and I just clean up the cuticle and smooth out the top layer. This carbide is so freaking sharp. I just bought this new one and I forgot how sharp the new ones are, and it cut the heck out of me. Okay, so be very, very careful and try to use a steady hand when using this drill bit if you are using this drill bit, because that's, whew, yeah, it hurt. Once I'm done with that, then I just go and I buff these babies. I buff underneath and I buff on top. KIARA Sky top coat. I really haven't found a top coat that I like, so I just use this one because they have it at my local nail supply store. I tried to use the Koopa top coat, and I feel like the Koopa top coat, it works well when it's first cured, but then it gets very dull after a couple of days, and I do not like dull sets. So I've stuck with this KIARA Sky just because this is probably one of the best ones that I've used, even though this one still has its faults as well. So if you guys know a really good top coat, could you just comment that below and help me out? I thought this was so funny. Cure for 60 seconds. And here we go. This is the final look. I really like this acrylic color I made. I'm thinking about adding this to my site. You guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please like this video and please share this video with your friends. Have a wonderful week. Thank you.